Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on to do another layout spread for Journals for Life, and I am digging this spread right here. I have these two cute, fun, bright photos of my husband and my son. My son's one with a heavy dark beard, and I'm going to be playing along with a sketch from March 13th to play with this, which I will be showing you. Now, pretty much once I put on these two almost 3x4 photos and you see that large side with the words, I mean, it is really done. So I did start from this as an idea. And then I was like, wait, I want to use that really bright magic you see. But what I did get from it is I saw that there were tags on that TN sketch. And I'm like, all right, I'm going to make sure to put tags. I'm going to make sure to have my photos on there. And then really, I totally went rogue. Now, those tags are just from my stash. They are from, I have no idea where. I have a box of tags. And I'm going to ink the edges with these two pretty colored inks that I picked up from the Journals for Life store. And I did not use a blender brush or anything like that. I just scraped them along the side of the inks just to get some of the opposing color on. I matted my photos with the loose papers that are now coming with the kits. I think they're so fun to have additional patterns or matching things that we get to play along with. Of course, you can always bring in your scraps from who knows what. All of that will work as well. So this is, like I said, really going off this sketch, but inspired by this sketch. This is the part where I bring in the tags. Now, I thought this idea would work, but I kept faffing it about, and the tags end up just ishy straight. And oh yes, and I cut them in half because I needed them to be just a little bit longer to stick out of either side of my photo. But you know what? It doesn't matter. It ends up working perfectly fine. So, like I said, the photo on the top there, that's my son, and it was really cute. Within like a couple minutes, both my son and husband sent me a Snapchat filter with the same thing on it. So I do love those, you know, the little family bantering that we go back and forth with. It makes my heart warm and cozy. So anywho, so what else is going on? You see what I have going on here. And I can tell you, one of the things I really love about this subscription kit is that each month things look so different. Last month it was like mauves and pinks and softer, and this month it's like all of the color, and there's a lot more of a whimsical tone to it. Last month it was almost like a soft romantic, I don't know, calm kind of a feel to it. So I am very pleased with how these come out. I think that they are uber awesome. So I just had to use this cute little die cut with a happy little rainbow on it. I mean, some of these pieces are just perfect. And you see it, there's these ice cream cones or ice creams, like popsicles, sorry. There's little houses, there's rainbows, there's headphones. So you can definitely go in a ton of different directions with this. I have the little blue heart there on the photo with my husband, and you know, I am like just needed some dimension, so I was bringing in some cheap craft foam in here as well, which you see on the red heart as well as on the rainbow, because I love the chonky bits. I think that they are so fun. Here's a little clip I created all by myself. Not a big deal. It was just a bow from, gosh, I don't even remember what collection had those bows. But I just hot glued it onto a paper clip. If it doesn't make it onto this one, it will make it onto another one soon. So you see me auditioning little bits and pieces while I'm creating. Why am I having a hard time with my words? But really, it's so funny. I put on the photos, and then I'm like, wait, is my layout done? And I have the little deedle hoppers from my previous layout sticking out on the left. Oh, I did go ahead into my stash and grab some white with gold twine. I think that added a little something extra too, to have more hanging off bits. You know, all those little things. But yes, that completes my layout. I will have links down below for the Facebook group as well as the store so you can see where you can get your hands on all these goodies. And remember that my discount code is Shannon20 to save yourself a little bit because, you know, quite frankly, we just want all of the things. Okay, that's it for now, friends. Bye-bye.